how to find Shopify dropshipping stores in 2024. So if you want to quickly go ahead and find different Shopify stores in 2024, especially dropshipping stores, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to your URL tab and you're going to write myip.ms, basically myip.ms. Now, once you're over here, you're going to come up here, click on this, and you're going to write 23.227.38.0. This is basically the IPv4 address for Shopify. So once you enter this, what it's going to do is it's going to tell you this. So IP location in Canada, IP owner, Shopify, as you can clearly see. Now, why did we do this? We did this because it gives us the owner IP range. So this IP goes from here to here, 8,192 IPs. So you can actually check the other sites on this IP, which is basically the same IP of Shopify. So that means that on this same IP, different people have made different stores. So we're just gonna go ahead and click on this button to prove that we're not a robot. And once you come down here, you can start seeing all of these Shopify websites. And yeah, that is how you can start going on and on. So you can see all these websites, myshopify.com, Boat Lifestyle, Keychron. There's different websites. Obviously, they're going to show you not working websites. They're going to show you, known websites. And you can obviously go down and down. And, it keeps going on and on. So let's say I'm going to come here, fashionnova.com. So this obviously seems like a website that is working, and it's a linked IPv6 website. So, fashionnova.com. Basically, this is how you can discover different Shopify websites using myip.ms. And that's the beautiful part about it. This is how you can discover all these different dropshipping stores. So as you can see over here, this is a totally new dropshipping store that you can see, Fashion Nova. Pretty incredible, pretty great stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below and I'll make more for you. Till then, that's all from me. Thank you for watching and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.